The Zone 8B in Texas includes parts of central and eastern Texas, including larger cities like Austin, Houston, New Braunfels, San Antonio, and all the counties around them. This zone has a subtropical climate with hot summers and mild winters, for the most part. Don't ask 2021. Making it ideal for a variety of gardening and plants. Hello planty friends, this is Martha with the Living Backyard. In this video we're going to be talking about plants that do well in Texas, native Texas plants. One of the best options for your own garden is to know your zone and to choose plants native to your region. These plants are well adapted to climate and soil conditions and will require less maintenance. In this video we're talking about Zone 8, 8B, and seems like now we are 9-8 as well, according to the recent update of USDA Plant Hardiness Zone Map, we are. But that's a topic for another video. Some popular native plants for Texas Zone 8, 8B include Texas sage, Mexican feather grass, yucca, and prickly pear cactus, rock rose, Mexican berry of paradise, beautyberry, and for shade, Zone 8B, Turk's cap. Are you into planting vegetables? Zone 8B has a long growing season, making it ideal for warm season vegetables like tomatoes, peppers, okra, and squash. These vegetables can be planted in early spring and will continue to produce throughout the summer and into the fall. Citrus trees such as oranges, lemons, and limes thrive in the warm climate of Texas Zone 8B. They can be planted in containers or in the ground and will provide delicious fruit year after year. Just be sure to protect them from freezing temperatures in the winter. A variety of herbs can be grown in Zones 8 and 8B. Some popular options include rosemary, basil, thyme, and oregano. With the hot summers in Zone 8 and 8B, it's important to choose plants that are drought tolerant. Some options include lavender, salvias, agave. These plants require less water and will provide beautiful blooms and foliage. In areas with hot afternoon sun, it's important to have some shade-loving plants in your garden. Some options for Zone B include hostas, ferns, and hydrangeas. That is, if you don't have deer eating all your plants. These plants will thrive in the shade and provide a lush green contrast to sun-loving plants in your garden. I am not into succulents, but succulents and cacti are perfect for Zone 8 and 8B as they require little water and can tolerate the hot summers. They come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors, making them a great addition to your garden or as an indoor plant. Texas Zone 8, 8B, and 9A has long growing season, so you can enjoy both annual and perennial flowers. Some popular choices include marigolds, zinnias, daylilies, and petunias. These plants will provide beautiful blooms and color to your garden throughout the year. There are many trees that do well in Zone 8, 8B, and 9A, including live oaks, magnolias, and crepe myrtles. These trees will provide shade and add height and interest in your garden. Just be sure to choose trees that are suitable for the size of your yard and won't interfere with power lines or structures. Overall, there are many options for gardening in Texas Zone 8, 8B, and 9A. Just be sure to choose plants that are suitable for the climate and soil conditions and provide the right amount of water and sunlight. To me, the best solution is select plants ranging from a cooler zone to a warmer zone, for example, zones 6, 7, 8, and 9. That way, the plants can stand more dramatic weather than the typical. With a little planning and maintenance, your garden in Texas Zone 8, 8B, and 9A can thrive and provide beautiful blooms and foliage year-round.